Hello there, everybody, and welcome to another great day in Southern California. My name is Kevin Burke, and today we are doing a fantastic presentation. If I tell you, it's probably my flagship of almost everything that I do. So, we're going to be at the Orange County Association of Realtors live via Zoom, by the way. So, everybody can come. Okay. Now, if you're a member of Orange County Association of Realtors, it's free. If not, then there's a small sum that you pay to get in to attend the presentation. So here's some credentials. Here's some things that I got going on. Hopefully that helps. Realtor Emeritus means I've been in real estate for over 40 years. It's actually 46 years. And so I do know a little bit about what I'm talking about. So anyway, upcoming presentations today, holding a successful open house. And then on the 22nd of July, Navigating Change, your guide to the buyer representation agreements. Then Coffee with Kevin every Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. bit.ly/coffee with Kevin. And I hope you'll get a chance to attend. And so most all of my presentations may be found at Burke Real Estate Consultants Inc., which is my YouTube channel. Again, today, the 11th of July, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, holding a successful open house. Why would you want to hold an unsuccessful open house? So we're going to talk about some of the tips and tricks as to how you're going to be very successful at doing this. And it's certainly been my career enhancement. So if you've always done open houses a certain way, may I ask that you keep your mind open for something different? Okay, so remember that the most important part of doing an open house is the before and after, not necessarily the during. Okay, all right. Join us today in this action-packed webinar. It's going to go very fast. Again, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It'll go until noon, and you are good to go. Get your QR code reader ready. Here it is. If you scan this link, this will take you to the sign-up page for this, and hopefully you'll get a chance to join me for that. Or you can go to the bit.ly link, which is bit.ly/OCAR open house. And if you want to look at any of my previous videos, webinars on YouTube, there it is again. This is where you're going to go. And I have a weekly newsletter that I send out that hopefully you can get a chance to come to. And again, that's one time per week, but you've got to ask to be subscribed. So there it is. There's my email address. There's my telephone number. Anything that I can do to help you, please let me know. I am here to in your success. Take care for now, everybody. Bye-bye.